We have responded and said that the incident is regrettable. Well, the incident is regrettable, but the view Uganda government only deals through official diplomatic channels in its relationship with the countries. Whatever appeared in the press was not official diplomatic channels, and we will continue communicating with them, our official position, through official diplomatic channels. Because I'm just boarding a plane now to travel abroad. Now you know I'm on the plane. I have to travel somewhere urgently and come back before Christmas.
No longer here. No longer here. See this? Very, very important. Let's remain focused on our values that our elders put into us. Remember those. Forget about running after money. It is what of this world. People are running here and there. I am a senior presidential advisor. And I cannot be deployed by a minister. I can only be deployed by the president only. He is my appointing authority and he is my supervisor. So I said to the police, no, you see, this is it. Those things are done now. We are different levels. But I surely am now there. I am with the former Vice President, Balbaseka. That is our club now. That is our club. No longer here. No longer here. See this? So I have somebody calling me here, the president, my friend. You can easily go to pray. I am no longer the president. Please, that one I can easily take you to prison because that is demoting me. Let us remember that at the end of the day, we shall live. And when you live, you must leave praise behind. And you should live when people are happy with you. You should live with the integrity when they are. Don't live with problems. Okay? Very, very important. Let's remain focused on our values that our elders put into us. Remember those. Forget about running after money. It is what of this world. People are running here and there. This man made a quotation that wealth should not command us. Who is this man here? That we should not be commanded by wealth. Not so? But you should command what? What is the problem we are hearing around us is because money is the one driving us. You run here, keep here, get here. I am here. Can't you get me here? And then you find yourself in trouble. You don't need to run around. Another thing I need to talk to you people, just commanders who are here, officers, the issue of desertion. The director is here, records. We lose a number of soldiers on a monthly basis, which is very worrying. I don't want to mention the figures here because there are some people of Rugambo here. These people of Rugambo, you don't want to. You need to wake up and really look into these things. There's a problem. Why disaster? There is nothing with our money. There is nothing. And first of all, there is no war in Uganda. Where would you think people will be doing what? Running away because of what? The whole country is peaceful. Including Karamoja is peaceful. You can drive at night and everything. But why should people be so just be deserting? Now, this is something you must look into. And I think it is all about whether you listen to them. Do you listen to these people's problems? When they want a pass, they have problems at home. When they do you look at them? Do you understand them? It's something you need to really go back and think about it and try to do whatever you can do to stop. Talk to these soldiers and find out what is their problem. To wake up and really look into these things. There's a problem. Why disaster? There is nothing with our money. There is nothing. And first of all, there is no war in Uganda. Where would you think people will be doing what? Running away because of what? The whole country is peaceful. Including Karamoja is peaceful. You can drive at night and everything. But why should people be so just be deserting? Now, this is something you must look into. And I think it is all about whether you listen to them. Do you listen to these people's problems? When they want a pass, they have problems at home. When they do Do you look at them? Do you understand them? It's something you need to really go back and think about it and try to do whatever you can do to stop. Talk to these soldiers and find out what is their problem. So when we hear of desertion with our loans, it's not very good for us. Ruhanga shitwe, ruhango panam, ruhango moyo. Ori kwera, erizoba twa kushaba kwera. Shumo ije otwe beitere. Nitumanya kuraba na bawe. Hai mukama otwe beitere. Inyakar Yahweh, hai mukama, twari urira, etwe kweta, Inyakar Yahweh.